In this video, we're going to reveal details and hidden features of the new DJI Lito that most people completely overlooked. Some of these innovations are so impressive that they were previously exclusive to the Mini 5 Pro, which puts the Lito X1 a step above the Mini 4 Pro in several areas, while still costing 30% less. The first interesting fact about the Lito is that its batteries are exclusive to this drone. In other words, even though they are physically very similar to the batteries used in the Mini lineup, they are not compatible with any previous model. For example, if you try to install a Lito battery in a Mini 3, Mini 4, or even a Mini 5, you'll notice that it won't slide all the way into the battery compartment. And the reverse is also true with the Lito. Batteries from the Mini series won't fit into it either, because they use different guide rails and mechanical locking mechanisms. Internally, the Lito's batteries are more advanced. And when we compare them to those of the Mini 4 Pro, we can see that they offer longer flight times while weighing less. With the Plus battery, this difference becomes even more noticeable. Although both use the same battery chemistry, the Lito's batteries are built with a newer generation of cells that are more efficient and provide higher energy density. But interestingly, both the standard and Plus batteries have exactly the same electrical specifications as the batteries used in the Mini 5 Pro, with only a slight difference in weight. And even if someone removes the battery casing to make it fit, it still won't work, because there is also a software lock in place. The drone may power on, but it will not allow the motors to start. Another interesting fact related to the batteries is the new charging hub. It's smarter and more powerful, and it can charge all three batteries at the same time, including the Plus versions. The system analyzes each battery individually and starts by charging the ones with the lowest remaining power until all three reach the same charge level. After that, it charges them in parallel. To work properly, however, it needs to be connected to a power adapter rated at least 45 watts, although 65 watts is recommended for the best performance. On previous models, charging was done sequentially, even on the Mini 5 Pro, which is a much more expensive drone. And while we're still talking about the charging hub, it has one more surprise: this compartment for storing up to 3 spare micro SD cards. Another interesting fact is that the Lito features 360-degree vision through its omnidirectional obstacle avoidance system. This new version uses only 2 wide-angle fisheye sensors, which can clearly see the entire environment around the drone without any blind spots. The Lito's artificial intelligence combines the images from these sensors, making the drone's own structure virtually invisible in the final view. The pilot can also view these images in full-screen mode and choose a direction using these arrows. The drone continuously monitors its surroundings, and when it gets close to an obstacle, it displays a proximity warning, first in yellow, and then in red. If the pilot continues flying in the same direction, the drone automatically intervenes and changes its path to avoid a collision. The Mini 4 and the Mini 5 also feature a similar obstacle avoidance system, but they require 6 optical sensors to do it. The Lito takes this technology to another level, achieving the same result with only 2 sensors. In addition, these sensors are more advanced and can operate in low-light environments, eliminating the need for an auxiliary landing light. And while we're still talking about the obstacle avoidance system, here's another interesting fact. The Lito X1 features a front LiDAR sensor with an impressive detection range of 36 meters. That is greater than the range found on the Mini 5 Pro, the Air 3S, and even the Mavic 4 Pro, where the LiDAR sensor has a range of 25 meters. Another interesting detail is that after the launch of the Mavic 4 Pro, the LiDAR sensor became a standard feature and is now present on almost every new drone released by DJI. I say almost because there is one exception, the Lito one. The reason is simple. It was designed as an entry-level drone to replace the Mini 3, so it follows the same philosophy. Instead of a LiDAR sensor, it has decorative cover panels in that location. Personally, I think this was a mistake by DJI, because it could have included at least a simpler LiDAR sensor like the one found on the Neo 2, which, despite being a more affordable drone, still features a LiDAR sensor with an 8-meter range. When it comes to internal storage, DJI equipped the Lito X1 with 42 gigabytes, which is significantly more than the Mini 4 Pro, which only has 2 gigabytes. But interestingly, this storage capacity is still smaller than that of the Neo 2, which comes with 49 gigabytes. And for the Lito 1, DJI did not include any internal storage at all. It could have at least been equipped with 22 gigabytes, since even the Neo 1 already offers that capacity. And here we have one area where the Lito falls behind. It only has 2 antennas, which I believe was an unnecessary cost-cutting measure, since the simple and inexpensive component reduced the Lito's range to 15 kilometers. Meanwhile, the Mini 4 Pro, which has 4 antennas, can reach up to 20 kilometers using the same transmission system. This is also the range achieved by the Mini 5 Pro, but it uses the newer O4 Plus transmission system along with 4 antennas. So it seems that DJI deliberately chose to position the Lito at a lower tier within the product lineup. File transfers on the Lito are faster because it uses the latest generation of wireless transmission technologies, equivalent to those found on the Mini 5 Pro. Another major technological advantage of the Lito is its intelligent return-to-home system and quick takeoff feature, where the drone memorizes the flight path and the obstacles around it. And now we arrive at the most impressive category of all, the price. Comparing the basic kits, the Lito is 30% cheaper than the Mini 4 Pro. So there's no doubt that the Lito X1 currently offers the best value for money on the market, delivering some of the best features available in terms of image quality, convenience, and efficiency, without costing more for it. The Lito enters the market carrying a huge responsibility, replacing one of the most popular and important product lines in DJI's history. And based on everything we've seen so far, it not only fulfills that mission, but also manages to raise the standard of the category in several areas. What makes it even more interesting is that the Lito was not designed to be just another entry-level drone. DJI seems to have leveraged years of experience and technological evolution to create a product that is modern, efficient, and exceptionally well-balanced. The result is a drone that surpasses the Mini 4 Pro in several features and capabilities, while also incorporating technologies that until recently were exclusive to more premium models, such as the Mini 5 Pro and even the Air 3S. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.